WeChocolatier.co is a dropshipping agent where we sell various types of chocolate jar, cookies, as well as chips from different brands. We have done our research and narrowed down to 11 brands that seems to be the best sellers and people's favorite. The first brand we are selling from is a Mellow, and we are offering 3 items, which are the Mellow Cookies, Mellow Crunch, and Raw Mellows. Mellow Cookie consists of chocolate cookie, while Mellow Crunch consists of chocolate rice balls. Both of these are fully coated with chocolate and topped with premium cocoa milk powder. Raw Mellow is a set of 3, consists of Raw Mellow, Rainbow Crunch, and Choco Bites. The next brand is Mouthgasm Crunchy. We are also offering 3 items from this brand, which are the Mocha, Macchiato, and Cookies. As you can see, these chocolate are mixtures of butter cookies and cocoa crunch. All of these are coated with premium chocolate and white chocolate for Macchiato. It is also topped with cookie flakes with a little hint of coffee powder. The next brand is the Balance Chocolate. We are offering Rick Souffle, which is a white bubble rice, and Baby Crunch, which is a cocoa baby crunch, and this is coated with premium chocolate. We also have Frenchie. We are selling the Frenchie Berry Crunch, which is a baby crunch coated with caramel chocolate. Next from this brand is the Cookies and Berry, which is a home baked cookies fully coated with chocolate. Both of these chocolate jars are topped with dried cranberries. We are also selling Bisco Bite, which is a premium chocolate chip cookies coated with Lotus Biscoff. Also in our Biscoff line, we are selling the Biscoff Mini Pretzel and Biscoff Mini Crunch cereal. The pretzel is a premium pretzel with chocolate compound coated with barrel melted chocolate and Biscoff spread. Mini Crunch cereal is coated with caramel Biscoff spread and topped with caramel biscuits crown. Inspired by Korean concept, we have Gyomi cookies, a strawberry cookie with real strawberry puree coated with melted calabash chocolate and topped with real Korean dried strawberries. From local munchies, we have the chocolate chip cookie coffee and chocolate chip cookie hazelnut. It is a chocolate chip cookie coated with premium chocolate and topped with chocolate flakes. We offer the coffee and hazelnut flavor. From the baby line, we have the Baby Loops, a fruity cereal coated with chocolate and baby crunch. A baby cereal coated with hazelnut cookies. Next, from the Crime Bites, we have chocolate chunk cookies, Rocher cookies, and popping crunch. Rocher cookie is a mixture of cookie and Rocher, while popping crunch is a cocoa crunch topped with real popping candy for the extra sound. All of these are coated with premium chocolate. From GL, we have their Choco Keys, a homemade chocolate chip cookie coated with premium chocolate. It does not contain any preservatives. Finally, from our chips line, we have the Tachos cheese and Tachos salted egg. It is a tortilla chips coated with cheese or salted egg powder mixed with chili balado powder.
I'll be presenting about customers' problem, need, and opportunity that our business provides to them. So why do customers buy from us? Customers usually want variety of options. They also want to enjoy chocolates in a new way. And lastly, they want to have good quality snacks. In Chocolatier.co, we have a variety of options. Customers have wide selection of products from over 12 brands, and the customer can simply tell us their preferences, and we, as the seller, can recommend the best products from our store that suits their preferences. For chocolate jars and cookies, our store also offers different types of sauce flavors. For example, original chocolate sauce with caramelized biscuit spread from Biscoff brand, chocolate sauce with strawberry flavor from Gyomi, chocolate sauce with macchiato flavor from Mouthgasm. With our products, the customer can enjoy chocolate in a new way. It is too lame to eat chocolate from chocolate bars. Hence, customers usually want to have some textures and crunchiness in their mouth while enjoying their chocolates. Besides that, our products also provide an easier way for snacking. And finally, the customer wants good quality snacks. The crunchiness of our chocolate jars and also cookies lasts longer compared to the traditional chocolate jars. We also provide affordable prices despite the premium ingredients like premium chocolate sauces and also the good quality packaging.
We here at Chocolate.co are aware of how big is the market of chocolate in Malaysia. Usually the sales will increase during Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day, and before the sales has the chance to decrease along the year, it will increase back up again because of Halloween and Christmas. However, since the pandemic hit us in 2020, we here at Chocolate.co observe the change of the marketing of chocolate in Malaysia. It seems that Malaysia has the most demand of chocolate among the C country, which is 21.8%, followed by Singapore and Philippines. So we at Chocolate.co took this opportunity to involve in chocolate business. Also, here we at Chocolate.co use e-commerce as our main platform to promote and sell our product. The reason why we choose e-commerce platform because of the pandemic, we cannot meet in person, and the other reason is that we have observed that the growth rate of e-commerce platform in Malaysia has increased since 2016, and it will keep increasing along the year. And also, e-commerce platform make it easier for our customer to order their product. Lastly, e-commerce platform also make it possible for our distribution around Malaysia.
Our main competitor of our business is homemade chocolate snacks made by amateur bakers from social media platforms such as Instagram. This is because they tend to sell their chocolate snack cheaper than typically sold at the store. Furthermore, anyone can become an amateur baker, which contributes to a high number of competition in the chocolate snack business.
Now I'm gonna list why our business is way better than our main competitor. Firstly, our business provides a variety of brands for customers to choose from, and they are also well-established brands such as Whiskas, Cookies, Mouthgasm, and many more. Thus, our business does not only limit to one brand and offer many choices for our customers. Besides having many brands, we also provide variety of flavors that ranges from savory to sweet. Fourthly, our products are also halal certified, unlike home baker, which is an extremely important element for our Muslim customers. Next, our products were also reviewed by famous Instagram influencers and famous Malaysian mukbangers on YouTube. That explains why our products are extremely famous among youth. Lastly, our products are ready stock, which is extremely convenient for our dearest customers.
Our business model canvas consists of 9 components, which are customer segments, value proposition, marketing channels, customer relationship, key activity, key resources, key partner, cost structure, and revenue stream. There are 9 components that I have mentioned in the previous slide. The first component is the customer segment. Our customer comprise chocolate lovers, students, and children who share the same interest, which is the cookies and chocolate jar made with premium ingredients. Customer can consume our chocolate jar everywhere and anywhere as it is very portable. This chocolate jar can be consumed when working, hanging out with your friends, and during your leisure time with your family, as it is the best snack for everyone. Next is value proposition. We know how hard it is to choose when shopping online, especially for food. We only want the best. However, we at Chocolate.co provide only the best and affordable cookies, so our customers do not hesitate to buy our products. We gather only premium cookies from trustworthy brands and deliver the sweetness to our customer. Our customer only need to visit our page and wait for their sweet treats to arrive at their doorstep. For marketing channels, we promote our business via Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. We choose these platforms specifically to expose our business to all age groups. Using Instagram and Facebook, we will post all our products as well as daily promotions along with updates to gain interest of potential buyers. Telegram is the main communication platform with customers to confirm their purchase and give post updates to customers such as their tracking number. Next is customer relationship. What is customer relationship? It is a key building block of the business model canvas. We focus more on relationships that fit with the rest of the business model. We had established good customer service with efficient interaction so that the customer will not hesitate to buy our product. We listen to customer wishes and treat the customer right. Good customer relationship helps us in customer acquisition, customer retention, and increased sales. We bring in new customers and convince them to buy our product through a variety of marketing tactics and strategies such as social media marketing. We use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram to promote our products. Next, customer relationship play an important role in customer retention. We focus on customer relationship with our existing customer to boost customer loyalty and satisfaction by delivering fast support, personalized interaction, and get customer feedback to understand their needs, acknowledge mistakes, and fix them.
I'm going to continue with BMC. Key activity. Key activity is an activity that a company do to make the business model work. For our company, we have 3 key activities, which is first, marketing and promotions, where we promote our products on various platforms and social media. Number 2 is deal between customers and supplier, because as a dropshipper, we act as a bridge between our customers and supplier. And number 3 is shipping, as we also involved in delivering the products to Sabah and Sarawak. The next one is key resources, which is the most important assets to make the business model work. We have 3 key resources, which is first, human resources, which consists of team members with structured working system. For example, we have management team, financial team, and also marketing team. Number 2 is product supplier, which is our product supplier is Jimonji Empire. And number 3 is delivery partnership, which is My Parcel Asia. Moving on is key partner. Key partner is the network of suppliers and partners to make the business work. As I've said before, we have 2 key partners. Jimonji Empire is the main product supplier. They provide list of products, marketing material, and they also manage the stock. My Parcel Asia is an integrated delivery service platform that links to various shipper and marketing platforms. Next is cost structure. For our company, Chocolatier Co., we have strategized our cost structure into 2, which is first, cost for supplies, as we have to pay to our supplier for the products that we take, and number 2 is cost for delivery, based on the price stated in My Parcel Asia platform. And the last one is revenue stream, which is the cash a company generates from each customer or product. For our company, we apply transactional-based revenue. Our revenue comes from one-time transaction of goods by the customer when our customer buy cookies or snacks from our company. This is also called direct selling.
Today, I'm going to talk about our business financial. A bit introduction about our company is that Chocolatier.co is a company that operates based on dropshipping method. So basically, we are the dropshipping agent and we just need to pay our M10 ringgit to our supplier. In terms of financial, Chocolatier.co has potential to grow as our company can generate profit per every order we get. However, large profit cannot be made because our supplier already set the price for every item. Our company sells chocolate jar and cookie sweet to our customers who are mostly students and also chocolate lovers.
Our business is a low-risk business that can run for a long time. However, there's consequences that we have to face when running a dropshipping business. In actuality, dropshipping business can be highly competitive. We have to face a lot of companies that are selling the same product brand at similar price. Other than that, we have to accept there's limitations when it comes to customization and branding, have to accept the low profit margin and little quality control over the product. Yes, it is still possible for us to grow operationally. This is because our business operates mostly online, thus the operation location is flexible as long as there's internet connection. Lastly, online marketing or digital marketing has opened up opportunities for every business to grow by increasing the number of audience for similar or lesser costs.